This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. The units have a baked polyester paint finish over galvanized steel for maximum durability, but their guarantee is not as good as other brands. All of their air conditioners feature their MHT technology, which includes a specially designed fan shroud that pulls air evenly throughout the coil surface. The coil has rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint. The units are made in America but are only sold through factory-authorized dealers. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from damage due to hail and debris from lawnmowers. They use R410 air refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The 4AC16L models are basic air conditioners with durable scroll compressors and a 15.2 CR2 efficiency, while the 4AC17L models have a 16.2 CR efficiency. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories.